Hello my lovely friends, Asalamaliekum. It's been a while. I have uploaded a video because I am so busy in Ramadan, fasting and prepping, and I just don't want to miss these wonderful blissful days. So I have not shoot a video in a while. So this is my new video about how I apply my fake lashes, and it is a beginner friendly video, so keep on watching if you want to learn how to apply fake lashes step by step. Simple 4 steps. You just need to practice. Practice is the key. If you are not going to practice with anything, right, so just practice, and this will be in like seconds. Sometimes I prefer not to even put mascara because it's so messy when I'm running late, so I just do my eyelashes and I'm out the door. These are the lashes I'm using in this video. These are from Yo-Yo Lash, and they were kind enough to gift me their lashes, and they are a mink. Let me show you how they look like. Look at these. They are gorgeous. And this is in Y10. And I will show you how they look like. Just look how gorgeous they look. I hope my camera is picking up. Oh my god, look at this. This is so pretty. It's like a 3D, and it's false mink hair. And this, look at from the side, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Step number 1. So what I do is, if you can see, this one has a longer side and a shorter side. Shorter side, of course, is going to go inner. And then I just measure my eyelashes. And you see, it fits my eye, but most of the eye shape eyelashes are usually bigger, so when they are poking out, what you do is you never cut it from the inside, you cut it from the outside. And just for demonstration purposes, I will definitely cut it and show you how I cut my eyelashes. So you take this is like my scissors. It came in my manicure set, but what I will do is I will just take a snippet and snip it from here. So I'm gonna just measure. This is not those lashes, this is another lash, but this is a little bit bigger than my eye. So you see this droopy side, I'm gonna take it up, and I think I need to cut this much. That's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snip it like this. That's it. That's it. And now if you see, they would fit perfectly. Yep. You see, they fit perfectly, and that's how you cut the lashes. Step number 2. So what I do is I curl my lashes. This is a random brand manicure. You can use anything. And you just lift it up. And then just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pumps, which is 7 seconds. And then then when you see the curl, so first you curl your lashes. Okay. Number 3, you apply a good coat of mascara. I'm using the MAC mascara, but so you apply a good coat of mascara, and you see how my lashes are grown outwards. Well, kind of try to push it inwards while the mascara is wet, and it kind of does work. You see the difference? Number 4. Now you take the glue and then you just coat the lash band And the inner corner and the outer corner, you have to coat it generously. While the glue is still wet, I complete the step 1 and step 2 on my other eye. So I curl and do the mascara. And the glue is semi-dry. As you can see, it is semi-dry. So what I do is either you can hold it with this, take a mirror, and then you want to look down. Like, I don't know if I can show you, but you want to look down and at a tilt. And then you just, wait, let me just hold it properly. And you just try to drop the lash like this. And then you just pinch it. And when you're doing the inner corner, you look that way. So your inner corner is easier to work with because the shape of your eye flattens. That's a James Welsh tip, and it really works for me because always my inner corners were loose, so that will work. And then you just pinch your real lashes and your fake lashes together, and then you push it upwards like that. I'm sorry if I look funny. And that's it. You see how I'm looking that way? So it's easier for me. And that's it. That's how you do lashes. If you want, you can take your lash applicator and then press it down. Both lashes together. And that's it. I will pop the other lash and I'll come back. Alright my lovelies, so this sums up my video about beginner guide to applying eyelashes. I hope you understand it and I hope it's easy. It's just 4 steps and it makes such a difference if you hold the mirror at an angle and you look down like this and you drop it. It makes a world's difference. Trust me, hold the mirror at an angle, look down, look up and down. So tilt your head up and down and then you just drop your eyelashes like so. Twist your arm and drop it. It makes such a big difference. So again, hold your mirror like this up at an angle, twist, drop it. That's it. 4 steps. So curl your lashes, curl your lashes, mascara, then mirror, tilt the head up, glue, of course. What am I like? Duh. Glue. Let it dry. So, let it be like semi-dry because the most important step is the glue has to be like tacky. If it's not tacky, it's not gonna work. And then just drop it and the magic is gonna happen itself. I promise. It's gonna be easy peasy. Until next time, take care. Lots of love, and please do check my Instagram down below is my handle. And if you want any other videos, do let me know. You can email me, you can DM me through Instagram, or you can just let me know in the comments down below. And yes, until next time, take care. Happy Ramadan, and hope the remaining Ramadan is amazing. And I pray for this pandemic to be over. I pray for the world. I pray that everyone everyone is at peace. I do pray from all my heart. All right. Mwah. Take care. Bye.